I've come a long way. Don't ever let it change. No matter where we go, no matter where it ends, as long as I've got you, I'm not letting it fade. Don't go looking for reasons.
Hey guys, so I'm currently in the car with both dogs today. I have my air mattress on in the back, so hopefully they won't pop that. They're sitting on it right now. And yeah, we're going down to this one spot together, just to like, get used to going out with each other and things like that. Okay, no cars to the left. So yeah, it's important for us to be able to go out together, do things, and because like I said, if I want to take them both with me on this journey, this new life, I need to be able to handle 2 dogs like I used to. So we're gonna practice some more. I seriously love this little day park because there's usually never a lot of people. Just like right now, there's not a lot of people here, so we can find a spot, hang out, get the dogs some exercise, and it'll be perfect. I can't wait. I gotta find a spot. There's a car there, and then maybe we can chill over here. I don't know. For show. Dogs are exploring that area. Could have sworn there's a car pulled up next to us here. Okay, so this is on this lead. Junior's on this tether lead. I don't know what you'd call it. So he can be far but still attached. They're having fun out here. So the spot here is free. I'm thinking of maybe bringing my car over here to park down there. I think that would be a good spot to get away from everybody else. So I think we might do that. We'll see. Okay, this is good. Having him on a bigger lead is nice because he's not always tangling himself up. And then Zeus is on this one. I think I might invest in another lead like this silver one here, so I can have both dogs on a long lead like that, and I can have my hands free. The only thing with these leads is you have to be careful is if there's a loose dog or a loose something, I don't know, the dogs start going crazy. I can't hang on to this rope because it'll damage my hands, so it's something I'd have to reconsider and be careful with. So I think this is where I might bring my car here to park. We'll see. There's not much shade here. I mean, the bench here, it's not shady really, unless we go to this one. So maybe we could make do. Maybe. Let's take a look. Yeah, I think we could sit here. The dogs would have this whole area to themselves. I think we might just go do that. We might just go get our car and bring it over here. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do. I think Junior's finding spots. What'd you find, Junior? So you could go all the way here. Come on, boys. Hi, boys. Come on, handsome. So you could go all the way out here. I think I could bring my car here too if I wanted to reverse and park it back here. But let's see. I'm sure it ends right here, but let's take a look and see what is happening. Probably won't park my car all the way out here. But wow, look at this view. Amazing. Alright guys, so here we are right now. I think what I'm gonna do is go bring the car here, park it, and this way we can claim this spot as ours. I think that would be good, plus it's away from, like, you know, a lot of people. Come on, Junior, let's go! Are you tangled? Come on. Come on, buddy. Let's go. So yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna bring the car here and get the dogs in this area, and we could just sit here and claim this as our spot. Oh, it's so beautiful out here. I can't believe that you could stay here for free all day. It's crazy. It's so gorgeous, right on the water. Wow. We are lucky. It is so lovely out here. Please ignore my dog whining in the background. He's a big baby. So I decided, for the sake of my dogs, who my hair's looking crazy, sorry, that we're gonna go to the other campsite over there that we checked out earlier, because I feel like that's a little bit more secluded and they won't be so antsy and stuff like that. So I think we're just gonna go over there. I think so. So I do like this spot. It's just somebody parked there and parked on my left and right side, and they left, and my bigger dog reacted. So I think it's best for us to find a little corner of our own and just go there. So by doing that, we are going to need to put everything in here. And then just get ready to go to our other camp spot. so since we moved to another location, I'm gonna put some fresh water for them. This location actually I think is worse. I mean, it's nice because it's private, but like I don't think there's as much shade, but they seem more calm here, so we'll see how that plays out. Got some water for them. I don't know where to put this water. I guess we'll put it over here. Here, want some? Give some to the big dog. But yeah, it's nice here. Peaceful, quiet. What more could you ask and want for, honestly? So here are the boys. I really need to look into getting a longer leash like this, the gray one, for him to go further out. I have the big one on here, but I think I might switch them out because the big one's not going anywhere. Come here. Let's see if he walks. Let's bring them a little bit more up to me. See how far they can go. He can go only up to here, and him just halfway through. So it is peaceful out here. I'm just trying to get the dogs to sit and relax too, so that we can all just chill and take it in. But I am a little stressed out with two dogs, just because the big one, he stresses out constantly, and then it stresses me out. So yeah, I don't know how we're gonna make this work with two dogs. I don't know. If I had just one dog, then I wouldn't have a huge issue, but I have two, so double the work. The little one is easy, he doesn't make a sound, but it's the big one, he gets a lot of anxiety, I think, and he just anxious and all that stuff, so it makes it hard to do anything. I'm gonna leave them both here for now. Stay there and just look. It is gorgeous out here, really pretty. Very noisy because I'm right by the highway right there, but nonetheless, it's not too bad. It's a free spot and we can use it during the day. I mean, what's there not to like? It's gorgeous. Okay, walking them back again at this spot right here. Keeping an eye on my things. This is an amazing view. Wow. I wish the tide was low so we could like walk around. It would be really nice. Go, walk. It's okay. You're okay. Come on, let's get out of here. Okay, so another thing that I'm finding kind of difficult is finding things to do while I'm out here. You know, how to entertain myself, and like I feel like I'm already ready to leave, but I need to like, you know, find ways to entertain myself, just relax out here. I have my camping stove in the car and I forgot to bring like some noodles or something to try to cook in it. I could have set up a cooking thing here and just made some food, I think that would have been fun, but I guess we'll try that next time. I think when I have just one dog, the smaller one maybe, because it's easier that way. And yeah, yeah, it's just trying to find things to do while out in nature, because you have so much free time. Like I have so much free time right now. You know, I didn't bring a book or anything like that. Yeah, it'd just be ways to, like, you know, try to find ways to entertain myself and keep the dogs busy and everything. So yeah, there's things to do, and I've got my little portable battery thing here that's solar power also, so it can charge in the sun a little bit, but we'll see how that goes. We need it to charge a little bit, but I do need to invest in the jackery to get that and everything. So yeah, and I asked my cousin, and he said he could take out my car seats for me. So just waiting on a couple of things, and then hopefully we can do that. Like I really want to live this life on the road and just, you know, a simple life. I feel like I have too many things, like I own too many things at home, you know, a lot of fish tanks. I have a lot of there's a lot of crap that I don't really need. Like I love my fishes, don't get me wrong, but like, I mean, I have like a lot of, like, for example, nail polishes and all these things, like little small items that I don't really need. So I'm just like, you know, it'd be nice to, you know, not have so much space to where I collect random things and buy random things. I don't know. So yeah, we're just gonna chill here for a bit, relax. I think the other spot we were at was much better, to be honest, but we'll make do. We'll stay here for now and then probably head home soon or something. I don't know, but right now if I had any food out here, I would probably be cooking some food. That would be fun, but it's quite windy, so I would need to find a spot that's not so windy to be able to cook my food. But yeah, both dogs are relaxing right now, thank goodness. Chilling, relaxed, and yeah, life is good so far. So we've got both of them in. We've got the air mattress so they can sit comfortably in here, things like that. So I might just keep the air mattress, but the thing about it is, like, it's hard to put them in because it's so high and they're not as tall, I guess. I don't know. Okay, we've got everybody in. I think what we're gonna do is just head home because I'm kind of annoyed and stressed out and things like that. So we're just gonna head home. I have some videos to edit and things like that, so quite a lot actually. It's just I haven't been in the mood, but I need to do it today. I need to edit at least 2 today. So yeah, we got both of them in there now. Hopefully they'll relax till we get home. There's this guy here with his van. Such a peaceful life. I wish I had that, like a little van and things like that. That would be so nice. At least I think it's a guy. I don't know. See that? There, that's the van. So cute. So cute. I wish that my bigger dog, see how crazy he is in here? Like, he just needs to take a chill pill. I wish that he wasn't so crazy and riled up like this, because if he was like my other dog, my smaller one, then if they were both the same like that, chill, tempered, relaxed, then I could take him anywhere, honestly. It would not be a problem whatsoever. But wow, that guy found a nice spot too. I could probably drive my car all the way up there, but I was just a little nervous. But anyways, as I was saying, was